Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Students, in this class, as per your session, today I am here to discuss the topic second order differentiation. Please note down second order differentiation. In differentiation portion, we have to discuss about second order differentiation. So let us write, if you are writing y is equal to sin x, what you have written? You have written y is equal to sin x. Then apply d by dx on both of the sides. D by dx of y in LHS and d by dx of sin x. Then this will give you what? Dy by dx, and differentiation of sin x is what? This is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is what? This is cos x. Generally, this is denoted as y1. y1, or if you consider y is equal to sin x is equal to fx, then you may write that this is equal to f dash x is equal to y1 is equal to dy by dx is equal to cos x. So this is first derivative. First derivative means result you are getting after differentiating first of all. If you differentiate sin x, means if you are applying one time d by dx on both of the sides, then you are finding dy by dx is equal to cos x. This dy by dx may be denoted as y1. Here y1 is, or dy by dx is called first derivative. This y1 or dy by dx is called first derivative. Means differentiation of a function one time. Differentiation of a function one time give you a result of first order derivative. So cos x is the first order derivative of sin x. Again, you apply d by dx on both of the sides, means you have obtained dy by dx is equal to cos x. You have obtained dy by dx is equal to cos x. Now apply d by dx on both of the sides. Then this is d by dx of cos x. This gives you d2y like d square, d2y by dx square, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So this is what? This is y2. y2 is what? It is equal to differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Sorry, perhaps I have written there minus cos x. No, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So it will be minus sin x. So here y2 is equal to minus sin x. It means if sin x is differentiated two times, if sin x is differentiated two times, it gives you minus sin x. This minus sin x is the second order derivative. This minus sin x is the second order derivative. This was the first example for you to explain that what do you mean by second order derivative. You can take any function, y sin x, why not cos x, why not tan x, just for your understanding, to make the fact clear before you that what is second order differentiation. I spontaneously chosen the function sin x and I started differentiation. When in the first differentiation we found sin x, and in the second differentiation we found minus cos x. So second differentiation means when a function consequently differentiated twice. Now I am giving you another example. Take y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. Please note down. Sorry for interruption. I am taking T. Take a function y is equal to x square. Now differentiate it with respect to x. Then what you will be finding? You will be finding dy by dx of differentiation of x square is what? A student, please tell me. Yes, you please tell. Differentiation of x square is 2x. By which formula? D by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. By this formula, differentiation of x square is equal to 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 means 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 means x to the power 1 means 2x. So dy by dx means this is the first derivative of x square. The first derivative of x square is 2x. Again you differentiate this result with respect to x. I am giving you a practical and live example. Suppose there is a snake at your door. You strike first. What will happen to the snake? It will try to rotate due to your striking force. Again strike at that snake. At that stage, it will come into the position of rest. Again, if you are striking, it will lose its life. This is the differentiation of the life of the snake. So first strike by d by dx, this is the first differentiation. Second strike using d by dx, this is the second differentiation of the same function. And third differentiation, fourth differentiation, n time differentiation is possible. That is called successive differentiation. Since this is a very easy and very simple topic, so I am not sharing any PDF for you, though I am giving you some study material on the portal where you can see and you can do the numerical based on second order derivative. For your kind information, this session, this digital session 2.0 is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any query, you can put your comment in the comment box. I promise that I will solve. Thank you for enjoying the class and listening my lecture. Thanks again.